And what you hear below your footsteps could be the crunching of the leaves, and it could be the footprints of some unforeseen presence hiding just behind the veil.